the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Okay, wake the streets up. Okay, come on. Okay, wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Come on, wake the streets up. Okay, come on. Okay, wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Come on, wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Welcome to a YouTube video, man. Shoe review. I haven't done a shoe review in a while. Before we do get started, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. The link's down below in the description if you guys want to check it out. It is JC10 everywhere, I believe. So make sure you guys check it out. Links are down below in the description. But let's get right into it, guys. So I was not gonna get these. It was a last minute cop. I went to the mall. They had them in stock, man. These are still sitting. Finishline right now has them. If you guys do want to cop them, the link will be down below as well for the links that still have available in additional sizes. Because some places still have it online. A lot of places have it in store, guys. Like I said, I walked in right before they were about to close. I walked in. Excuse me, my throat. I walked in 20 minutes. Just copped them. They said they had them in my size. I was like, whatever, I'll get them. Now, first things first, look at the box, guys. Let's get right into it. I'm not gonna talk a lot. Just gonna get right into it, man. I believe the last time these dropped were 2006. I'm not 100% sure when's the last time that the Black Cat 4s dropped, because I didn't have the first pair. Like, this is the first pair of Black Cat 4s that I had. I didn't have the first pair, and honestly, I don't even remember. I don't even know if the box was actually like all blacked out. I think this is the first time the box was like this, but I really like the box, man. It's not like the regular just 4 box where it's just red and white and stuff. And I really like it. All blacked out box, size right there, and all the information you guys need right there. Like I said, man, I walked into Footlocker. Make sure you guys go to Footlocker and Champs. Footlocker and Champs, at least where I'm at. I'm in Virginia, Richmond. They have a lot in stock. So if you guys are in Richmond and stuff, just go to Footlocker and Champs. They still have a lot in stock there. If you guys do want to cop and, you know what I'm saying, get your hands on these. So first things first, open it right here. All blacked out box, all blacked out shoes. That's what I really like about these shoes, man. They're simple, you know. There's nothing crazy about these. Nothing, you know, too special about these. They're just all black 4. We'll put these right here. Yeah, put it right there. Nothing special, like I said, about the box, like other than just being all blacked out. Nothing in there. Throw that over there. Now let's take a look at the shoe itself. Let me get closer to get more in-depth look. Like, I apologize for the lighting as well. The lighting isn't the best. So let's look at the sole first at the bottom. You guys see right there, man, just regular all black with just the Jumpman logo being white, and then right here you guys can see that clean paint. Now as far as the gluing, because I know a lot of you guys are always asking about the gluing, they didn't do too good with these. You can see, like, you can actually see a lot of the glue, like at the front right here. You guys see it. You guys can actually see it right there. You guys can see like a lot of the glue right there. So as far as the gluing, not the best, but you know, the material, the suede feels real nice. Everything else looks real nice as well. This is a size 10 as well, guys, like I said. So here's the, you know, the front, sides, by the back, the toe box, everything you guys want to see on it. This is only my my second review I've done on the channel, guys. For 2020, I want to do a lot of these reviews because I have a lot of shoes and I never do reviews on it, and I buy so much shoes, and I was like, you know what, let me just do some reviews. And you know, you guys want to see the logo right there, all black. Like I said, everything is blacked out in the shoe. Everything is just all black 4, like all black suede 4. That's pretty much what I can say. Other than that, it speaks for itself. You guys have seen this shoe already, and I'm really surprised they brought this back. Now, the defining moments, guys, the DMP 6s that are coming out in March, I'm getting my hands on those because I like those a lot. I have the golden moments, which is the same version of it. It's just the all white, and I want my hands on those. So I'm gonna get my hands on those, and once we get our hands on those, man, those are gonna be good. But I'm gonna just go ahead, guys. You guys see the shoe, man. We're gonna go ahead and do the on-foot review, so you guys can see what it looks like with different jeans and stuff. So let's jump right into that. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, man, I like these. These are most. Let me see if I turn off Maybe if I turn these lights off, you can see a little. Nah, it still looks. My bad for the camera quality, man. We working with what we got right now, but we'll be back at it, and the quality will be awesome. But like I said, man, all black 4s. They look real sexy. Go ahead and cop. These are gonna match with any outfit. And like I said, let's go ahead and look at the on-foot review. See what you guys think about it with different jeans. See how they look.